Did you know that Lucy and Linus, the well-known siblings from the beloved Peanuts comic strip, actually had a little brother named Rerun? Yes, that's right, Rerun! This delightful character often flies under the radar, but his presence adds an extra layer of charm to the already enchanting world of Peanuts. Rerun isn't just sitting on the sidelines either. He's occasionally seen trying his hand at baseball on Charlie Brown's team. But here's the catch. He plays left field, that is, when he can find it. You see, our little Rerun often struggles to locate the left field, a humorous twist that leaves readers giggling. So the next time you find yourself immersed in the adventures of Charlie Brown and his gang, look a little closer. You might just spot Rerun, the lesser-known sibling, trying to find his way around the baseball field. So next time you watch Charlie Brown, keep an eye out for the lesser-known sibling, Rerun. Switching gears, have you ever realized that there are 10 body parts that are only 3 letters long? Quite the tongue twister, isn't it? Let's list them out. Eye, hip, arm, leg, ear, toe, jaw, rib, lip, and gum. Yes, you heard it right, 10 distinct parts, each critical to our daily functioning, distilled into 3-letter words. Quite the feat of linguistic efficiency. Now let's delve into another fascinating fact, the pancreas. This organ might not make the 3-letter list, but it plays a vital role in our body's functioning. Nestled deep within our abdominal cavity, the pancreas is a powerhouse, producing a hormone known as insulin. This essential hormone regulates the amount of glucose or sugar in our bloodstream. Without it, our bodies couldn't properly break down carbohydrates for energy. Incredible, isn't it? The human body is a marvel of linguistic efficiency. Moving on to the animal kingdom. Did you know that 1 in 5,000 North Atlantic lobsters are born bright blue? That's right, these aquatic marvels owe their unique hue to a genetic anomaly. This rarity makes them the ocean's equivalent of a diamond in the rough. Now, from the depths of the sea, let's take a leap to the land and talk about skunks. These creatures, notorious for their potent smell, can make their presence known to humans from a staggering mile away. It's Mother Nature's way of saying, beware. Now, switching gears to the realm of language, have you ever found yourself unable to remember a word? There's a term for that, lithologica. This word describes the state of not being able to remember the word you want. It's a feeling we've all experienced, and now we have a word for it. From rare lobsters to peculiar words, the world is full of surprises. Let's dive into history. Did you know that the King of Hearts is the only king in a deck of cards without a mustache? Yes, indeed. This king, often called the Suicide King because of the sword behind his head, stands out from his fellow royals with his clean-shaven face. It's a small detail that many miss, but once you know it, you'll never forget it. Now, let's shift gears and roll back to the early 20th century. Imagine a time when automobiles were a novel invention, and Henry Ford was at the helm of this revolution. But did you know why Ford's iconic Model T was only produced in black? It wasn't a stylistic choice, but rather a practical one. The black paint available at that time was the fastest to dry, making the manufacturing process quicker and more efficient. History isn't just dates and events, it's full of quirky facts too. Finally, let's explore some pop culture. Did you know that Mario, of Super Mario Bros. Fame, was originally called Jumpman? Yes, our beloved mustachioed hero, who's been saving Princess Peach since the 80s, first appeared in the 1981 arcade game, Donkey Kong. His name was later changed to Mario, not due to a creative whim, but to honor the Nintendo of America's landlord, Mario Segale. Who would have thought that a landlord could inspire the name of one of the most iconic characters in video gaming history? Moving from the realm of video games to global recognition, let's hop over to China. The 3 best-known Western names in this vast country are Jesus Christ, Richard Nixon, and Elvis Presley. These names, one religious, one political, and one musical, resonate with people far beyond their countries of origin, showing the far-reaching influence of Western culture. From video games to international fame, pop culture holds some truly unexpected facts.